Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast Chapter. Well, you can tell I'm not outside. The rain ran me inside and had to retreat to my office this morning to get our video done. Had a great weekend. Spent some time up in Sarasota on Saturday at the Carson Coffee there at BMW Sarasota. Had a really great turnout. I appreciate everybody. It's great to see everybody. It's what an eclectic group of cars. I know there'll be some pictures on our Facebook account for that, and I'm sure Carol's got something set up on our gallery as well. So I just wanted to walk through and say hello to everybody. Of course, there was a lunch and a breakfast yesterday morning in the Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda area. So a lot of activities going on this past weekend. Coming up this week, we've got the Saturday Carson Coffee at BMW Fort Myers. I'll be there, see you there. And then on the 23rd is the Jacksonville meeting as well, dinner meeting there. Saturday the 27th is the Bradenton Breakfast, the one we just spoke about, just had a week or so ago. That's the inaugural. So the 27th, we'll go back to Skillet's there on Highway 64 in Bradenton. Really nice turnout and really nice service, so appreciated that. Coming up, we have the drive for the Magnificent Mountain Drive 4.0. You'll get, for those folks between today and tomorrow, you'll get a call from me. I'm just trying to wrap up those folks that are going to go do the BMW production plant tour. Got to have that information in real quickly, and then you'll get some other information about the driving tours as well. We have several things coming up on the planning schedule. We're already out into the first and second quarter of next year, but I'll just remind you, coming up November 1st is the 4th annual DeSoto picnic at the 4th annual picnic at Fort DeSoto Park. So look forward to that. Gosh, that's a lot to say out loud, but I plan to be there. I think this will be the first year I actually am going to be able to do that. And then the next day, I think we leave for Z's on the Keys. So looking for that. And then some other driving tours that we're getting ready to launch and they're already out there. So check ahead in your calendar. Check all the way out into February, where we have a lot of things already booked out there and ready to go. Remember to mark your calendars and save that date for January the 17th for the annual luncheon. A lot of big plans. Talked to PV Archer this past weekend, and we're moving plans forward. So it should be a really good turnout for our annual outing there, and with I think we have enough space to park 150 cars. So we're expecting a really good turnout. Huge steak cookout. So a lot of grilling going on. We'll have a lot of fun. Until then, I hope to see you at one of the events. Happy motoring, y'all. Stay safe.